Coming of age shows or movies are what could be compared to coming of age rituals that old societies had. For some teens, these shows make them dull and sad. It's because subconsciously they start to wish that their life was like that. It's clearly not the right thing to do, as we all know that our life is not a show or a movie. Some understand the core purposes of these genres and try to take lessons from each of them. One such television series that highly inspires us and is a gem in itself is called Anne with an E, which is broadcasted 3 seasons so far. Here we have put down all renewal statuses of Anne with an E Season 4 as to whether it's cancelled or is there still a possibility. Read over to find out. Anne with an E, at first named Anne for its first season inside Canada, is a Canadian TV series based on Lucy Maud Montgomery's 1908 exemplary work of children's literature, Anne of Green Gables. It was made by Moira Walley-Beckett for CBC and distributed by Netflix internationally. Anne with an E release date. The series at first debuted on March 19, 2017 on CBC and circulated consistently. The season finale broadcasting on 30th April 2017. The show appeared on Netflix on 12th May 2017 with the title Anne with an E. On August 3, 2017, CBC and Netflix recharged the series for a 10-episode second season, which premiered on Netflix on 6th July 2018 and on CBC on 23rd September 2018. CBC incorporated that Anne with an E starting in the second season. In August 2018, CBC and Netflix recharged the series for a 10-episode third season, which was released on 22nd September 2019 on CBC and was delivered on Netflix on 3rd January 2020. Anne with an E received a huge success and got great positive ratings and reviews. It even won Canadian Screen Award for the category Best Dramatic Series in 2017 and 2018. On IMDb, the show has a score of 8.7 out of 10 based on 45,174 users voting. However, despite the successful evaluations and performance, not long after the third season was delivered in 2019, CBC and Netflix reported the series had been cancelled. Anne with an E Season 4 reason for cancellation. CBC President Catherine Tate expressed in October 2019 that it don't include itself in co-creations with Netflix, as they established bargains that hurt the drawn-out suitability of our homegrown industry. A day after the third season closed its Canadian run, and regardless of explanations from CBC already communicating, presumably that Canadians will keep on experiencing passionate feelings for this delightful and endearing series for seasons to come, Netflix and CBC reported the show's wiping out the morning after the Season 3 finale broadcasted in Canada, promoting the Season 3 delivery on Netflix as the show's last season. Substitute purposes behind cancellation were given on 27th November in light of a Twitter mission to save the show. To be specific, an absence of viewers increment in the 25 to 54 age range, which fans on Twitter and Facebook have tested by addressing how CBC tracks watchers' ages. Notwithstanding the CBC demonstrating that Netflix had concurred that the third season would be the show's last, fan began a deliberate on the web and disconnected mission. A lot of it drove by Twitter fans through the hashtag #RenewAnne with an E. Some fans even took to spamming irrelevant reports on the CBC's news website. A petition was begun by fans to fight the cancellation of the show, and fans likewise crowdfunded to raise announcements in Toronto and New York City. Canadian actor Ryan Reynolds and singer English Sam Smith additionally tweeted on the sides of the series. Anne with an E Season 4 Starcast. For the main characters, the series stars Ambith McNulty as Anne Shirley, later called Anne Shirley Cuthbert, Geraldine James as Marilla Cuthbert, Delilah Bella as Diana Barry, Lucas J. Zerman as Gilbert Blythe, R.H. Thompson as Matthew Cuthbert, Aymeric Jet Montaz as Jerry Baynard, Corinne Coslow as Rachel Lind from seasons 2 to 3 repeating in season 1, Corey Grutter Andrew as Cole Mackenzie, seasons 2 and 3, Dalmar Abuzaid as Sebastian Slam Lacroix, seasons 2 and 3, Joanna Douglas as Miss Muriel Stacy, season 3 repeating season 2, And lastly, Ashley Stewart as Winifred Winnie Rose in season 3. There is no use in specifying the cast members for the fourth season as it's already cancelled and probably won't be returning in the future. And within E season 4 synopsis, the series handles a scope of issues like abandoning, child relinquishment, mental trauma, social issues like stress for congruity, sexual orientation imbalance, bigotry, religion, and the right to speak freely of discourse. The story is set in the year 1896 when older brother and sister Matthew and Marilla Cuthbert, who live together, choose to take an orphan child to support around their hereditary ranch of Green Gables. Nonetheless, when Matthew goes to get the child at the railroad station, he discovers 13-year-old Anne Shirley. Anne is a creative, brilliant, cheerful, and guerrilesque young girl. She is likewise an orphan, as her family kicked the bucket when she was a couple of months. From that point forward, Anne has lived as a worker in different families before being set in a shelter. She was mishandled truly and sincerely all through her time as a worker, and furthermore at the shelter. Nonetheless, when Anne shows up at Green Gables, she winds up changing the lives of every one of its residents.